Welcome folks to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Today we are going to be making baked ham with a simple light glaze. We bought a hickory hardwood smoked semi-boneless ham. It's already cooked, but you gotta warm it up good. And it was 6 pounds. We took off the plastic and this little plastic disc that's over the bone. You take that off, washed it off, patted it dry, and that's how it looks. I'm gonna put I got a pan with a rack in it because I don't like my hams to be sitting in all that grease and stuff. And I put it under a cookie sheet. I'm gonna put about 1 inch of water underneath it. Probably 2 cups, that was 2 cups. We're gonna flip it over and we're gonna score it on the top because later on we're gonna put a light glaze over it. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I put it on top of the rack facing down. If you need to see how long to do your ham, just look on the label. It'll tell you the times and the how much it weighs. Just go by that. Or go get your thermometer and it'll tell you that too. So we need to wrap it up. You want a good tight fit because you don't want any of that steam to come out. Get it good and tight around there. We're going to put it in the oven at 325 for an hour. I'm going to make the glaze. The ham has cooked for 45 minutes and we're going to put a 1/2 cup of honey. I sprayed my measuring cup with cooking spray so it would come out easy. A 1/2 cup of orange juice and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We're going to warm this up just until that brown sugar melts. After this melts and the brown sugar melts, we're going to pull our ham out. We're going to baste it. We're going to up the temperature to 425. And then we're going to pour it all over the ham. You can do it with a pastry brush or you can just pour it over it, whichever one you want. And then we're going to cook it for 15 minutes uncovered until it's ready to go. We got the ham. I got my stove, my oven. We turned it up to 425 and I'm just gonna pour it real slow. Get it in those crevices. Check out my Etsy store for my merchandise. You can save some for when you flip it over and do the front. And this is gonna cook for about 15 minutes, and then we're gonna let it rest for about 15 minutes. I pulled the ham out of the oven. It looks gorgeous, nice, shiny, brown, caramelized ham. Always make sure that you use a thermometer. Don't go by the looks. It needs to be between 140 or 145. Just pay attention to your instructions. And we'll let it sit a while. It's a light ham glaze because with our ham, we make other stuff with it. So I didn't want a real thick, sugary ham glaze on top of it. With ham, you can make anything: breakfast, lunch, dinner. Ham and biscuits, potato ham casserole. There's just many, many ways. One way is that we always make Spanish bean soup. And that's a recipe we got when we lived in Tampa, Florida. It is amazing. And I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you. Check out my Etsy store for my merchandise. If you like this recipe and found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to my channel.